because we just need to go out and be outside. Okay. Alright, you guys, so we are at the park now. I'm just waiting for one more mom to come. Asha, come and introduce Asha.
Asha's Asha.
Asha is Asha. This audio song when they reach anywhere. I beg, we've tried. Daniel, sit down, let's go home. Come and sit. I'll push you. Come and sit. Father Lord, give me strength. I'm tired. Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a Tuesday and the boys are currently on midterm break. We're going to be doing some activities because I don't want to just lock them up in the house because that would be detrimental to my mental health, and I need my sanity. So I have plans to go out with some moms and meet up at the park later today, and we have another activity planned for tomorrow, but we're going out because other people need to hear these children and they need to be in other environments, not just this house, because we just need to go out and be outside. The boys have had their breakfast. I'm not going to eat anything this morning, but I wanted to film content for my food channel. Please, by the way, if you're not following us on my food channel, I've been posting, well, I've just posted the one smoothie, but then it's been doing well and it's in form of shorts, so it's not going to take up your time. So please, if you have time, I'll link the short in the description box. Please click on it and watch it. Subscribe to that food channel and follow me on Instagram as well. I've been posting quite a lot over there as well. Since YouTube wants to be unfortunate, I'll make videos and post them and get only drops in terms of views, and it's not been really encouraging, but I choose to just look for something else to do with my time. So I've been posting more frequently on Instagram, so if you're not following us, my handle will be somewhere up here. Please go ahead and follow us. And yeah, all right, so I'm just going to go upstairs now and have my bath and freshen up, and then we can make our way to the venue. All right, so today's video is sponsored by Ant Mall. So they've sent me a luxury bag and I'm going to be unboxing that later in the video, but this is the video intro, just telling you what we're going to be up and about. That's what we're going to be doing in today's vlog, so please come along with us. Subscribe if you haven't done so, hit the thumbs up button. It does a lot to help my analytics and also get other people to see this vlog. Okay, so if you enjoy my vlogs, you are doing me a great service when you hit that thumbs up button. Okay, all right, so I'll see you guys in the course of the vlog. Many thanks to Ant Mall for sponsoring this segment of the video. They have sent me this Chanel bag that I cannot wait to unbox with you. In the box, you get this dust bag that has the bag in it. It also comes with the Chanel ribbon. You get a certificate of authenticity. Guys, this is the bag. This is how gorgeous it looks. It has so many details that I absolutely love. I love the lock that comes with the logo of the bag. It is so unique. I love it. This is what the bag looks like inside. It has amazing compartments for makeup, for cards, for different things. So this is not a big bag, but it is a big bag, if you know what I mean. Anyway, you guys, the bag also comes with a manual and some instructions on how to care for it. And that is all that comes in the bag. The bag is really good. I really love this bag. I like that you can carry it in a number of ways. You can carry it as a handbag like this. You can also choose to carry it as a sling bag and carry it as a crossbody bag or whatever. So yeah, you guys, they are fully stocked. All their details will be in the description box. Please do well to patronize them. They sell sneakers, sunglasses, jewelry, slides, name it, they have it, and it's from different kinds of brands. So Fendi, Balenciaga, there's different kinds of things on there. All right, you guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video. Somebody's buying polo. Alright, you guys, so we are at the park now. I'm just waiting for one more mom to come. I've seen one mom. So at this point, I don't even know where my children are. They are out and about. But I cannot be bothered. That's what we came here for. So I'm stuck with the pram. While they run around. So this is the situation for the next couple of hours now. So yes, take your children out and have peace of mind. I brought enough entertainment for everybody. Yes? The way in. You want to go in on the swings? How creepy. There's a bare ground not too far from here. The playing ground. This is not where you want your children to be stuck at night. As a matter of fact, I've brought you to this park, to this, what's it called? Burial ground before. I brought you here before, to this burial ground. In one of my vlogs. I was coming from a thrift shop. Oh yeah, bingo, bingo. See ya. And it's clearly written, there are posts and there are signs like saying like no pets allowed, no animals allowed, but you still see people bringing their pets. I understand that yes, it's a park, but then there are sections. This section is not for animals at all. Shouldn't be here. Ruining my audio. So you guys, as I was saying, I was coming from a thrift store one time, and I took you guys to that burial ground, just over there. So creepy. So creepy. Somebody's flying polo. Somebody's flying polo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Hey, so yeah, how far now? Okay, video now. Then my friend, my friend, come and say hello to the culture. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. That's yours? Yeah. I have another one. No. Oh, I know it from you.
Yeah, mine though.
Wow. Today was fun though. Not just for you, Asha. I also had fun.
Yeah. Guess what? I got the phone.
You do?
Yeah, but it's just a phone.
Something new, right? This pack is big, oh. Really big. Put this in the bag. There's a gazebo over here. So yeah, I'm coming. Let me explore. Fountain.
Yeah.
No, I don't think it's a fountain. But I'm more interested in this gazebo. Looks
I'm going inside.
looks really big. You're going too far. You're going too far now. You're going too far. It is massive.
I'm going back.
Okay.
Okay.
No. I've never been to this part of town before. And this park is really good. So if you're in Darlington, this park is not far from Salvation Army on North Road. There's a North Road care home I'm seeing over here, and then there's a cemetery over here. So if you can find the cemetery on North Road, you have found this place basically. So it's just behind it. Please come down from there. You can tell that these boys are going to get a very good scrubbing from head to toe when you get home. Asha, come and introduce Asha.
Asha's Asha.
Asha is Asha. So my friend's son's name is also Asha. And did I not say don't run after that boy? It is well.
A few moments later.
This audio song, when they reach anywhere. I beg, we've tried. Daniel, sit down. Let's go home. Let's go home. These children, they don't want to go home. They don't want to go. Me, I'm tired already. And the wind is getting stronger. Let's go and have hot chocolate. Let's go have hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate at home. This weekend, no one here will do. Come and sit. I'll push you. Come and sit. Father Lord, give me strength. I'm tired. This is the whole part of this whole park nonsense that I don't like. The part where we say let's go home and they say they have other plans. Eh? Young man, let's go home, please. I'm tired now.
I'm not.
It's about time. Alright. Shasha. Okay, one last time and then we're going home, okay? One last time.
So you know mommy's tired. See, most of the people that we met when we came, most of them have gone. It's time for us to go and let other people come in. Eh? I'm begging you. We will come back another day. The park is not going anywhere. Eh? Help me talk to your brother. Yeah. See, Asha's going. He's saying bye already. Let's go. No. Ugh.
Asha, come. Why? The rule is that you're supposed to wear socks. Come here. You guys, so we have brought the children to
to soft play today, and they've literally forgotten about me for how long now. I had to come up into the soft play to look for them. You guys, peace of mind. Even this is good for me, their money. I'm enjoying myself. I'm jumping up and down. This is good, and it's just £4 and £4.75 for one child. So it was like £9 and change. It's really fun. Alright you guys, that is our time on today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you have watched the video up until now and you still haven't subscribed, please do well to hit that subscribe button. I promise it only gets better from here on out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.